So Trinity, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Oh, wow. That's a good question. Thank you so much, Vu. Hi, TeleHmong podcast, and hi, everybody. My name is Trinity Vo Blatt, and from EPI 2 Services. I have been with this established young company for tax, payroll, bookkeeping, and tax services since 2022.
How did you get started with the API 2 services?
Yeah.
How did you find out about them?
Well, so we technically started with the funding services first at the beginning. However, later on is going to be when the COVID hit. So ERCs kick in from the government granted to the public, especially to help small business owner. Then we start doing ERC services, and we have several customer that been with us for a while. Then later on, they say, "Well, I am working with a payroll or a tax services or this company like this ABC, but I have some problem, and then I would like to transfer to another bookkeeping, accountant, tax services." That's why EPI2 services has been established since then because of the market niche just right there, that what they're looking for. And then we at that time don't have any professional service to provide that particular niche. And then so we start going out and searching for the partnership. And then we find some other associate, which is a company would have 20 CPA or more, and we have tax lawyer working with us, we have enroll agent working with us, several accountant working with us, and also that corporation would have 20 CPA that working with us too as the whole team. So right now we collaborate with them, and that's what make EPI2 services have been stable in Minnesota since 2002 until now. Well, we're young, but we have been trying the best.
Yeah. You guys are doing really good. Very good. And especially you're the owner, right? When you started, it was just you, right?
Well, I first started, I have to say, acknowledge and give credit to Thomas Pham too, is one of my other partner.
Okay.
Yeah, we have been a team together, and right now our office, like in the office, technically have like 10 people working with us, 10 people working for us, and also like partnership is have 3 office in California, 1 office is in Texas,
Okay.
Wow.
yeah, and then our base office is in Edina, Minnesota. So
Hey.
totally, the whole groups of us as a CPA associate is gonna be 5 office,
Wow.
Whoa.
So
and we're
you
looking for expansion. Yes.
you're the boss of all those 5 offices.
Well, I don't know what to say. Like it's kind of like
Wow.
nervous to say that I'm the boss. Technically, all the people here is the boss of themselves, and all the
Okay.
teamwork is have to be give credit to the team members who have been helping us,
Yeah.
and all the people here is really collaborate together and working, cooperate. Like make the business flow, make the daily basic every task finish, and it's teamwork.
Yeah.
So can
Yeah,
I
for
say
sure.
like I'm the boss? It's just like everybody is the boss of themselves, and we make it work as the whole team. So give credit back to our team.
Oh, I love that, man. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
That's
Thank
really
you.
that's great leadership there, though.
Thank you, Vu.
I'm just gonna keep going.
We can keep
Yeah.
going, to be honest. I don't.
Okay, so Chua, tell us a little bit about yourself and when you started with EPI.
Yeah, yeah, sure. First, my name's Chua Shong. So, I've been with the API 2 services in January 2024. I mean, over 7 months. So, yeah, I start like a new year for me. So, with the EPIs, and then I'm working with them until now.
You like it there? Is Trinity
Oh.
giving you a
Hard time.
a tough time?
Not really. Like she mentioned, we are working as a team, so not
Yeah.
really like micromanage thing, not anything
Oh,
like that. So
that's good.
it's more like a family. So I love working there. So
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, not like my
Joey.
boys. I have to keep them
So-
on check, you know?
So, Choi, your position is the accounting manager, right?
Yes.
So I just wanted to ask because some people they do want to get into like that type of position, and I know especially with a lot of the young generation. I'm 22 years old, so I mean I know a lot, especially nowadays. Like kids are going for like accounting. Is there like some sort of educational background that you came into EPI 2 services, or is that like even if you don't have an accounting background or some sort of like business background, you can still reach out to the services?
Okay. Yeah. Actually, I came from Laos in 2014.
Oh, okay.
Right now, I'm still in studying to earn my master. Not master, but my major, like accounting major degree. So
Okay.
I will graduate at the end of this month. Oh, not this month. I'm sorry, this year.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm still learning, but at EPI because like I work with EPI at Edina as accounting, so just me only one. So that's why my position as account manager, accounting manager there.
Okay.
So basically, I will do the book for the company and helping with the account payable, receivable, those stuff, and she also looking for hiring more people.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
if
Yeah,
you, yeah, I know it's a lot, but I know we are learning, and I'm still learning too. So
Yeah, so if you guys out there, you guys watching, if you guys are looking for a job and you're in accounting,
Yeah.
hit up Trinity or Chua, and they will get you guys a job. All right.
Yeah, for
Yeah.
sure.
And work hard too. You gotta
This
work
is the
hard.
learning curve, guys. Like
Yeah, it
you
is.
heard, she's still getting her master's, which
not master's.
Oh,
just
bachelor's?
4 years. Your bachelor.
You're for-
oh, she's getting
okay.
her bachelor's. Still, again, still a learning curve and process, guys.
Yes, yeah.
So even if you are like young, especially to all my young generation guys out there, guys and girls, you can still.
Yep, go
You
ahead.
can still, look to people like EPI Services. This is a great, platform for you guys to, even if you're a young aspiring entrepreneur or business owner, this is one of those outsources. This is one of those services that can kickstart your dream, no matter how small you think it is, how niche your audience is. They're willing to help.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Jimmy here.
Jimmy made it in, you guys.
Finally made it. Sorry, just jumping in.
No, we do that all the
But I
time.
seen here that it's financial accounting services. So, like, I was gonna jump into my pro boxer buddy. He was talking about how he was doing it on his own. He had a manager do it, but the manager is just an old guy. The manager don't even know anything about accounting. And then he went out and hired his own service to do. There's accounting service, there's a PR service, and tens of thousands more services out there. If you don't go out and get these services, you're lacking on your own part about it, right? You invest in this little bit of money so you see what the money is doing, so you can invest more money, right? But if you're going gung ho and you don't even know what you're doing, you're gonna be like, I spent a lot of money on no reasons, So I definitely
Same.
I definitely need an accountant, consultant, and people in your life. Otherwise, if you don't, then you'll never be good with your money, and you can never, like he was saying, entrepreneurships and stuff like that. You probably won't be able to move on to the next level.
And that's actually really good because if you guys didn't notice, pretty much overnight, if I don't know if anyone's paying attention to trends nowadays, once COVID happened, everybody that was in quarantine, after the quarantine was over, everybody tried starting businesses.
Yeah.
Like nowadays,
Yeah.
I'm seeing that high schools are starting to teach about investing. When I was in high school, all 4 years, they didn't teach me about investing, like they had some sort of accounting classes. I didn't know about business until I got to my freshman year of college. And by that time, I didn't even want to be in college because we're all indoors. The most people, especially for us guys, it was either online school, sleep, video games, then back again. That's literally what it was. But now we're talking about like businesses. I see 16, 17-year-olds talking about, I want to start investing into this. Where do I go look out for this?
Yeah.
Like, okay, great. I'm a broke college student, except I'm like 35.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, just right here, they say they're young, but like, come on, five offices, 3 different states,
I know. That's what
Minnesota,
I'm saying.
California, Texas. I did want to get back to that whole grant. So can we elaborate more on like what that entails for like certain businesses? You don't have to say what businesses you guys have worked with, But just like as a general thing, like what else does that like? Can we elaborate more on that whole like
Yeah.
grant?
You wanna go for it? The ESC.
Oh yeah, so technically ESC is Employee Retention Tax Credit is the programs that the government help small business owner to recover after the COVID hit.
Okay.
So they give to all the business owner up to $26,000 per each W-2.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, so if you are a business owner and you have W-2 employee, then each employee is eligible up to maximum is $26,000.
Okay.
And there's no like minimum for that, like the money wise.
Well, minimum there is no minimum
rate or
for rate requirements as long as you pay your employee W-2, then it's just eligible. Yeah.
oh, okay.
I see. I got it.
And this is applied for a business, and the business owner is the one that who get credit from the government grant.
Oh, okay, okay.
That one by doing 941 amended tax return. So the 2020 has been gone, and we cannot go back and claim 2020 anymore. So right now we just
Don't think we
can go
want to.
ahead to 2021, which is the deadline for ERC claiming right now is next April 15. Next tax season, April 15, 2024 is the deadline to claim for ERC. And then so whoever business right now, we are in tech, any W-2 business owner at this moment right now, we still accept the application for ERC, Employee Retention Tax Credit, and try to claim for the business tax credit to with the IRS. We're still doing that. We're still helping to the small business owner to get those. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like last year, we claimed for both 2020 and 2021. But like Tridi mentioned, right now we only claim for 2021. Because
Okay.
and until next year, April will be the last like the deadline that we cannot
Okay.
claim anymore.
I got
So, yeah, what she mentioned, and also I want to mention, like, it's not like, okay, you are a small business and you want to claim. It's not like that. You had to qualify for it.
you. Okay.
So, with that, you had to, like, qualify for that. You had to, like, a fully shut down or partial shutdown.
Oh,
or,
okay.
Like, you got profit decline, like 20%, right?
Oh, so
Yeah.
profits that are all
Yeah,
going
you-
down by 20%.
Yeah, you had to
I
have all
see.
the information, like profit and loss, like
On
and
on
all
the street, on the sheets.
Yeah, to
Yep.
show
On all your files.
to that, yes, and then they will decide if you're eligible or not. But it's not like something. Oh, I want to apply, then I apply it. You had to qualify.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So the qualifications are, I'm going to read them so that
Oh, yeah,
people
sure,
actually
go. Thank you.
will actually know. You got to be fully shut down. You got to be partially shut down. Interrupted operations. Supply chain interruptions. Inability to access equipment. Limited capacity to operate. Inability to work with your vendors.
Oh.
Reduction in service or good offered to your customers, cut down in your hours of operation, shifting hours
Okay.
to increase sanitation or of your facility, impact to your normal operations, unable to fly or attend trade shows in person, gross
Interesting.
receipt declining by 50% in 2020 from 2019, or gross receipt
Receipts.
is it
Receipts.
Receipt,
Gross
okay.
receipts declined by
Okay.
20% in 2021 and from 2019. And
then-
finally, labor shortage or limited workforce.
Yes. So if you have any of those, you qualify, right?
Yeah.
Or do you have to have all of them?
Oh, just
Not all
like
of them.
the
Just
more
some.
is the
Yeah.
merit.
The
more
yeah,
the
the
more.
more,
The more the
merit.
merrier.
I got you. I
Okay.
got you. Okay.
Okay.
The high
chain.
chain you qualify for.
Ah, I see. Yeah. So if you guys have any of those, you guys are still taking the
2021.
Yeah,
until
for
20, from 2021.
Yeah.
Okay. And you guys can still apply for that 26,000 grant, right? 26,000.
It's up to, but it's
up to,
doesn't
okay,
like
up to.
It's not like guarantee you're gonna receive exactly that amount, but it's up to.
Okay.
Yeah. Like, and also right now, yes, we still accept it, but had to minimum 5 W-2 up.
Gotcha.
And
Okay.
also, this program, they're not counting the W-2 for the owner, just the employee.
Just the employees.
Okay.
I see. Wow. That is something that I didn't even know of.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't
Oh.
either because I have a W-2.
There's been a
Yeah.
lot of businesses that have been shut down because of COVID, and they didn't even know about this.
Yeah,
why
I'm
people
sure
go
a
to
lot of
under-table
business
work.
still don't
Yeah.
even know what is this, and some they qualify, but they don't know is it, so they
Right.
not really apply for it. So, but just want to mention, right now a lot of business apply for it, so the IRS kind of like slow.
Okay.
So
Yeah. Of
gonna
course.
take a little bit longer than it's like anticipated.
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
A lot of business claim for it, so the IRS are behind the schedule. So
Oh.
it's
That's
longer.
fair though, because like
Yeah.
they're trying to maintain, not lose employees and do budget cuts and stuff.
Yeah, but we still definitely apply for you. Like if you are a business out there and look, you feel like you qualify for it, then get out a call. Yeah.
Gotcha. So you guys give EPI 2 service a call if you guys qualify for any of those. Okay. You guys are out there watching.
Yeah.
I know I came late and you guys probably explained it already, but how did you guys find this little like niche to be able to do the
Outsource.
refundings and the even the like the service? How did you guys figure out how to provide the service?
Trinity, that's on you.
Oh, you.
Did you guys already answer that question?
Not completely.
Not in
Okay.
depth,
Yeah,
not in
not in
depth.
depth. Thank you, Jay. Yeah.
Yeah. So, can you go more?
Elaborate on it?
Yeah.
Yes, please. Yeah, more in detail.
So like
for ESC services niche, you say?
yeah, like how did you come up with like some people go out the day and be like, you know what? I think I'm gonna make a service where I'll pick up your bag and drop it off for you.
How
you
did-
know?
how did you become-
you guys see that
You can start this business.
you can do financial accounting services and like
and get huge and
Yeah.
and grow.
build your own business
Yeah.
really off of that?
How did you start, Trinity?
Oh yeah. So
How did you know about this stuff? Because this is like we didn't even know that you could start a business by doing what you're doing.
oh well, that's a good one. That's a good question.
Yeah, if you don't mind me us asking, because if it's like
You good? You good?
Secret,
Yeah.
secret to the trade.
Okay. So technically, this program has been nationwide legit IRS programs that government offer for the grant. It's on the public news and it's on the IRS website and it's everywhere. But for some at that time, it's during the quarantine or just like recover from the COVID. Nobody know about this program, and so we actually like several CPA or accountants is actually started doing this first.
This program here.
This program, yes. So they did it, and then we are try at that time saw the niche that our community in terms of here is since we minorities and Vietnamese they don't really know much about information of this. So we try to grab this one and we be alliations for
Basically,
connection.
Yeah,
Yeah.
basically start from her community.
Yeah, so my
Helping her
community
community,
is
yeah.
the first basic that we started first.
Okay.
And it was very successful in the.
Yeah, so and then
because-
later on, like when we go deeper inside and we find different partner, different CPA, different enroll agent, actually specialize doing this particular one. So this is the niche. It's just like a small part of the
Yep.
whole
Yeah.
entire financial accounting business.
Right.
Small business, they are looking for funding or like they a business that established but looking more like expanding their business and looking for some fund.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so that's basically how she started EPI and expanding it. More service adding on.
Yeah.
And then we also will have Mr. Jane joining us to talk more about cost segregation and
Okay.
Research development.
yeah, R&D. So
Okay.
these are all the benefit for like business owner. So
Yeah.
he will be more in detail to this part, but like I said, it's expanding. So, and basically right now, like she mentioned, we had provide service for like
Just-
nationwide.
Gotcha. Wow. Thank you, Trinity.
Yeah.
That's actually very good information.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very
Thank
good.
you.
I mean,
Uh,
basically, it's just like they started a business from outsourcing to helping businesses.
Right.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's
Like
amazing.
I
Only
like
way
that
to
you
get better.
mentioned, Like
Yeah.
right now, young people, they are learn about investing, learn about doing business. Sometimes you don't even know how to start.
Yes.
Like EPI, they're outsourcing this service for you. You just talk to them, and they can providing all the sourcing for you. You don't need to think about your payroll. You don't need to think about your bookkeeping. They provide that for you, and you kind of have some time to focus on something else.
So like this is like the back office type of stuff.
Your own
So-
HR that you hired.
Like
Right.
you just start
Gotcha.
business. You don't want to hire accountant. That's more, right?
Yeah.
But you
Uh-huh.
rather pay outsourcing that little bit under your budget that you can hire someone that doing your professional job for you.
Yeah.
Right.
So that also help you to like don't need to focus about that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can do something else.
Yep.
Right.
Right.
I love
And it's
that.
a big deal. It's
Yeah.
a big deal because if you're too focused about like, oh, you know, we only sold 10 pops today. You know, we need to sell 30 by the end of the week so that we can buy 40 more to stack up the stock
Yeah,
or whatever
that-
it is, you know.
yeah,
But if
like
you
the
don't know the
people
number,
Mm-hmm.
the number that you get,
If you don't know your numbers and your ratios,
yeah, and
for
then
your
you're gonna
business,
you're gonna buy 30 more drinks, and then now you spent I don't
Certain-
know extra money on extra stuff that's not gonna sell.
You
gotta-
overstock.
Exactly.
Yeah,
That's
overstock.
true. That's how bookkeeping.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
You know how much you make it and how much you spend it out.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
that's why you need to get those information like complete, accurate, and on time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you want to make decision, you look at your book system. You know exactly like, oh, I need to purchase this thing more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like it's for you to make decision.
Mm-hmm.
And as a business, this thing are really important.
Yes.
So you have to keep it on time, accurate, complete. Like when you want to look at it, there, it's ready.
Wow. I love that. I
Yeah.
love that.
remember your back office to your businesses, guys, is just as important as like what your front office is doing. So like for what they're doing is like we said, back office, a lot of the back office work, your bookkeeping, your numbers, your ratios, your growth and decay. But also you got to remember that when you do business, this is from my own also personal business experience. Be sure to also put in your end of the work. They're gonna try to meet you as much halfway as possible, if I'm saying that right.
Yeah.
As much as possible.
Yeah.
I wish I had EPI2 services at the time to help me outsource to like lenders and stuff. I didn't, don't get me wrong, I did have a great business team. I love you guys if you guys are watching. Still can't wait to see you guys again soon.
Yeah.
But it is your networking too. You know, like your network, this is like a good quote that I was given. Your network is your net worth. If that clicks to some of you guys, you know what I'm talking about. Because you never know who might know your next biggest investor or believer, follower, or support. I wouldn't say follower, but I would say your next supporter. Like for us here at TeleHmong Podcast, we love to support services like this that are business helping your business.
Yeah.
Okay, so sorry to interrupt you real quick.
Oh, you guys, we have to take a break.
That's cool.
We're gonna take a break, and then you hold on to that thought, all
I'll
right?
try.
Johnny?
I'll try to hold on to it.
Write it down.
Right.
Phone notes.